So essentially, what are you marking and measuring here?
We got 2x6 facial board, and we're having to wrap it for vinyl.
Yeah.
Because we're going to run soffit. So what I'm marking right here is 5-inch and 6-inch hem. That's where my bend's going to come over and actually cover the soffit on the bottom edge.
Yeah. Now, when you're marking those,
Yeah.
where do you want that? So as you're lining it up on the brake,
Yeah.
where do you want it to lock in on your marks here?
Well, let's go to a sharper. Here, come here, let me get a sharper crow's foot.
Yeah.
Just I didn't have time to sharpen my pencil. Cole sharpened it for me, so.
Yeah, so you're marking it like that for what reason? For people who don't understand.
So whenever I drop it in the straight edge, I get a good crisp line, so I know whenever I cut it and whenever I get ready to do my bend, I'm for sure on my mark, because the last thing you want is where that hem comes together for one side to be bigger than the other.
Here? Yep. Are you in the middle or here? Like here. That right here is where you want to set that.
Yep, that's where I want that straight edge to hit.
Right, okay.
It's right on the center of those. And that's why you mark it like that, is so it's precise and it's right down to the to the money. Because every little bit counts.
So essentially you're bending on 5?
Yes, and cutting on 6. So that piece is actually.
Then what are you marking here?
It's going to be, that's one piece, this is 2 pieces.
Okay, so you're going ahead and marking it all the way around?
All the way,
okay.
Yep. I'm not going to do the other one because I've got enough material now.
Okay, so then this remaining chunk just will be extra.
Yeah.
And so if something happens or something's wrong, you've got an extra piece.
And if
so
you want
this is going to be 2 pieces here.
Yep, that's going to be 1 piece.
2.
Yep, 1 piece with a 90, second piece with a 90.
Gotcha. All right, let's see it in action.
You know people on the internet can be laughing at our brake, right?
Yeah, of course.
It's all right, let them laugh.
All right, so what does this part do, Dave, that you're doing now with this handle? Lock it in?
Yeah, step around here, Chris, where you can actually see. Hey, come down here to this mark because it's a good crisp. All right. Now with this brake, we've actually got a vise that comes down, and now it's grabbing tight on that crow's foot.
Yeah.
You want to be money right there. See, perfect.
Yep. And then that's what Jeremiah's doing down there too, right?
Yep. Yep.
So that locks it in.
Hey, see the difference that it from this machine just being out of calibration.
So then you're taking your blade and cutting it?
Yeah, just scoring it 2 or 3 times and it'll break.
Now I heard you saying something earlier about you don't want to do that with a dull blade.
Yeah, well, it just, you get about 2 cuts per blade, per side, you know what I mean?
On that metal.
And there's a big difference in the blades you buy, and there's a reason why the blades I buy are $25 for a pack and not 10. Even then I should have scribed, but you see a difference in just, if I'd have ran that blade over it again, it would have cut it a lot better.
Yeah. So now you're unlocking it, and you're gonna
get a 90-degree bend.
Okay. You kinda, this is where that 90 is gonna be. Jeremiah, lock in his end.
Yeah, I'm good. Go ahead, Jeremiah.
Grab this, pull it up, work it, get your 90 bend. Release, pull it to your next mark.
Good.
Lock it in.
Now, you see the way it ain't so bad off right now? It's because that blade in there moves back and forth. Hit it one more time just to keep it from flexing and bowing.
What is that? That's a 10-foot brake, right?
A what?
10 foot. They make them longer too.
Yeah, they make 12 footers and.
Yeah. We've had ours for a while.
This thing is capable of doing a whole lot, even though it is old and.
Yeah.
For the double hem, see the way that worked?
Yeah.
All right, now we're matching that right there, but the rigidity that you get rather than what we are doing by double hemming it is so much stronger, but we're having to match what's on the house.